Good morning, everyone. My name is Arslan, and you are watching Proper Pariksha, the place where we strive for academic excellence in a simple and comprehensive manner. So, today we'll be finalizing and summarizing the chapter 9 of Class 6 Mathematics titled as Data Handling. So, without any further delay, let's start. And I hope that you have made the notes of data handling so that the revision is much more easier. So in data handling, what have we studied? I will just summarize beforehand that we have studied what is a data, and how raw data is converted into a meaningful data, how are meaningful data like presented or written down, like it can be an organized data, for example, a tabular data, or it can be a type of a pictograph or a pie chart or a bar graph. Okay, it can also have various other categories such as scatter plots, continuous line graphs, histograms, and etc. So we also found that how pictographs are used in various magazines as a source of advertisement and attraction in for their viewers, and how data is organized into a tabular data, and how this type of method is used to represent five number of votes, and each number of vote can be further taken into or multiplied by a conversion factor that is mentioned just in the table. So that is something which we have studied. We have done the exercise in totality and solved the questions and understood the procedure of solving them. So point number one says, as per the NCRT of summary or what have we discussed, is we just do this part to make sure that we have not forgotten any part by mistake or by manual error. So that is the sole purpose. And in case we have forgotten, we will make another video to do that. So till now, we have not forgotten any topic. So I hope that this will be our record in the future also. Point number one says, we have seen that data is a collection of numbers gathered to give some information or to give some meaningful insight. Okay, so meaningful insight can be either a report, can either be a survey, can either be a form of news, can either be a form of comparison or advertisement, etc. Point number two says to get a particular information from the given data quickly, the data can be arranged in the tabular form using tally marks. Tally marks are like the number of votes that a particular choice has gotten. So basically, organizing data includes making only a simple table that has number of rows dedicated to the number of choices like mango, apple, guava, banana, kiwi, etc. So n number of choices will lead to n number of rows along with one additional row. So number of rows will be n plus 1, that will write over here choice. So if it is a fruit, you will write fruit. If it is a car, you will write a car. If you will have the face of a dice, you will have the face of a dice, etc. Then you will have the second column which will be representing the number of votes. Number of votes or the number of choice, number of people who have voted for that. So number of votes in short can be mentioned. So if someone mentioned like I like guava and 12 people mentioned, we will write 12. Some said a mango, 7 people said mango. Other thing that is mentioned is the conversion factor or the scale or the multiplication factor of the organized data. For example, if I say that each person in the pictograph represents 100 people. Therefore, if I have mentioned that guava was voted by one stickman, that will mean that 100 people voted for that choice or that fruit. So that is known as the scale or known as the multiplication or conversion factor. The number of votes will be written. Other way of writing the conversion, the number of votes is this method, the stick method. That is much more conventional and more readily accepted. And after that you can make another column and just write the actual value of that sticks. So this is 5, so 2 more, that will be 7, and you can write 7. So this is all what we have discussed in data handling. We have solved various examples and questions that allow us to understand the literature of this chapter much more easily. So with this, we summarize and end the chapter 9 of class 6 mathematics, titled as data handling. If you like our way of teaching and methodology, you can subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Also, if you have any comments or feedbacks, you can write in our comment section, or connect with us on any of our social media handles, LinkedIn or Facebook, and we'll definitely reply you back. So keep making notes, keep revising. So till the next time we meet, goodbye.